Howdy ho, bitches. It's October 13th, 2019, Thanksgiving weekend. It's about 10 a.m. Oh, hello. This has been on for about an hour and a half, I think, give or take, something like that. A little water. I'm gonna get some Charlie Mills on this fucker. Yeah. It's running a little hot. Close that vent off. And just shut her down a bit. So that's what I'm doing. Yummy, yummy. Alright. I'll keep you updated. Alright, bitches. In a couple of hours, I've put a couple of doses of Charlie Mills on there. We're running pretty good. We're running about 250. I'm going to do this once more for now, and then I'm going for a nappy poo. A little tired. Go for a little siesta. Wake up around, just afternoon, I guess. And that's that. Yo ho ho. And a beaker full of Charlie Mills. Alright, bitches. Close this bitch up. That's all for now. I'll see you after my little nappy poo. RTFO, mofos. Alright, bitches. It's now like 2 o'clock. And I want to rock. So it's been on for about 6 hours. That's what we got happening there. I'm going to wrap it now. Put it in a pan and wrap it. It's looking good. Looking quite nice. Okay, let me get this inside and we'll finish up inside. RTFO, mofos. Alright, bitches. Got it in a pan. We're just going to cover that over with some foil. Having a bit of a brisk. Gotta head out. So no beers. Lots of cops out there. It's a long weekend. Thanksgiving weekend. You don't even want to have one beer in your system. No need for any kind of hassles. So, got some more Charlie Mills. Gonna put some in here. Good enough. We'll save the rest for a bit later. We'll figure that shit out momentarily. Because now, foil. Wrap this bitch up. Arm, elbow, scab man. So you get the idea. And then it's going back out. Alright. This is an update. Bitch! You know what I mean there? Fucky bean. Get her done. And I'll go out and do what I gotta do. And then I'll be back. Like a monkey, not on crack. Okay? You get the fucking gist of it. Drink up, buttercup. Cheers, big ears. RTFO. I'll see you in a few hours. Alright, bitches. I pulled this off probably close to 2 hours ago. I had a major fuck up. My fault. We won't get into it. But you know what we're gonna get into? Fucking steamless. Let's get steamy, bitches. It's done quicker than I was expecting. My fault. Uh-oh. Bitchy. Cheers, big ears. I have not looked at it. We're going to do a reveal. Maybe it's fucking crap. Maybe it's shit. Still fucking warm, tell you that. Maybe it'll be steamy. Probably not. Oh, hello. A little bit of steam. To save them juices. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put this on a plastic fucking thing, and I'm going to dump this into a container, as we're gonna make some good gravy out of that. Not for today, for another day. It smells awesome. Oh yeah. Oh fuck yeah. That's beauty. There's a bone. That's fucking gorgeous. Just fucking gorgeous. Alright. So, I'm gonna get gloved up. It's still gonna be fucking hot, so I have to wear some cotton gloves underneath. And let's figure some shit out. We'll be back, bitches. Woo! Cheers, big ears. Get steamy. Alright, bitches. Actually, this is my to-go thing. I'm bringing supper like to 2 different houses, so I'm just gonna rip it apart on here. You'll get the idea, blah blah blah. I'm gonna get paper towels out before I get all fucking greased up here. So, here we go. That's fucking tasty. Tell you that right fucking now. Beauty. So, I'm gonna pull this apart. Look at that, eh? Oh, there's bone. There you go. That's how you do it, bitches. Just like that. Fucking eh. For the dog. Neighbor's dog. Okay. So I'm gonna rip this apart. You get the idea. You know how to do this fucking shit, right? I'll rip it all open. Fuck, that's good. That's nice. Look at that, eh? Tasty. Beautiful. Alright. I think it's going to be a success. No turkey on today. Turkey is tomorrow. Happy Thanksgiving, bitches. Thanksgiving 2019. October 13th. I think it's 13th. Anyway, look at that, eh? Like, just look at that. That's fucking gorgeous. Gorgeous! It's pink! Don't eat it! Okay. Why would you do that? Okay, bitches. There you go. It's not really a how-to, it's just what the fuck I'm doing. You know what I mean there? Fucky bean? Alright. It's awesome. It's fucking great. That's fucking beautiful. Alright, bitches. I can eat that one. And that one. Fuck me, I gotta eat it all. I gotta eat it all! Porky man, gotta eat it all! Alright. Scum. I'll rip this apart and I'll be back. I'll do my to-go thing because they're waiting for me. I'm too busy. I'm high now. And kind of drunk. So, they're waiting for me. Fuck, that's good. Okay. I will return. Biatches. I got about 600 mils of juice. Maybe a half inch of fat on top. We'll let that fucking harden up. We'll make some good fucking gravy with that, eh? We'll do a pulled pork poutine with that fucking thing. Alright, bitches. I shall return. Cheers, biggers. Don't worry. They're not getting it. I'm getting that. You're contaminating. Fucking blow me, you cockeye. There we go. Yeah, Swiss chalet sauce on there. Nice.
I think I'll have
Smells
it
really
plain.
good. What?
I'll
And then,
just have it plain.
All right. Yeah.
and then there's
Yeah.
the Norwegian mustard.
That's what I'm gonna put on the top.
And
Jetil. No bones. No. Well, there is a bone. It's right here. I brought it for the dog, but dog's not allowed to have it. There's one bone in there.
That's a big ass bone.
Yeah,
no,
yeah. But yeah, Jetil from Elton's Barbecue Pit. He sent me that mustard from Norway. It's awesome stuff. And then, sorry, buddy, you got euchred on the bone thing. Nice. Oh, you're just gonna not even have a bun, eh? You're just gonna do it on just in a bowl.
Yeah.
Do you want mustard
Oh yeah.
or the sauce?
Not the sauce. I'll have it with mustard because
Right
last
on.
time I had it with mustard it was really good.
This is European mustard. Might be different than what you're used to,
No. Oh man, this is really good.
isn't it? Yeah.
Excellent. Excellent.
Isn't that nice?
Wow.
A lot.
Hey, you guys, devour it. Seriously.
Excellent.
I have more at home. That's what I'll be eating when I go home. Oh, I still have to take some to Seminoles too.
They've been here. They have a son named
Just give it a little taste of that.
There's a
Just dab it on your finger. Just stick your finger in there. I know you don't have cooties.
It's still healthy.
All right.
Excellent, man. Nice job.
Yep. Isn't that good? And see, I actually woke up this morning. I did wake up late.
It's okay.
With the
Yeah.
sauce and the mustard, man, it's
Yeah.
fucking fantastic.
I wake up an hour later than my alarms.
Right on. But no, hey, cheers, big ears. Woo!
That's good. That's
Nice.
Really good.
Awesome or good?
That's really awesome.
Bentley? I don't know if you're allowed. Is he allowed a piece? Of
A
me?
little, yeah. We can have a little piece.
Bentley.
Come on, buddy. There you
Sit.
go.
Give me a hug.
No, you
Yeah,
got no.
yeah,
Oh, hug,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, hug. Good boy.
Oh, Bentley. There you go, buddy. Yeah, now you had. Wait, you're my friend.
Yeah.
Awesome. RTFO, mofos.